Hi and welcome to Electric Prop. I intended this movie to be a review of my Endurotech Dual 10 lights, but since my bike is has an empty battery, my Dual Tech doesn't get the power it needs, so it would be an unfair review. But on that note, the Endurotech Dual 10 needs about 100 watts of power. So you probably need a bigger stator for your bike, which I have on my way now. But anyway, if I charge up my battery and go for a ride, it will give me full power for the entire ride. But sadly this night I forgot that, and I only have the power that this EXE250 can deliver, which isn't enough for the Dual 10. But as you see, I'm not suffering for any lack of light. I have a really good headlight on. I believe it's a magicshine 6500 lumens, which is enough really, even with the original KTM candlelight. Well, I posted this movie anyway. Had an interesting event on it. Came to hit a bird, or the bird hit me. We'll wait and see. Hit a root there. Got punched off track. A lot of roots, and it's quite slippery some places. It's been raining a lot lately, and slippery roots and rocks around every corner. There's a couple of deep, muddy puddles I want to avoid, but yeah, you can't avoid them all. Can't really see all the roots of this night movie. I'm quite familiar with this terrain. I'm driven here a lot lately, but at night time it's easy to just take the wrong track, which I did this time. Ended up somewhere I haven't been before. Well, This night I'm also riding alone, so I'm not pushing any boundaries. It's mostly to test my light, which was a failure this day. A nice ride anyway. So we're getting close to where the bird's waiting for me. So didn't hurt anything. I made a lot of sound there, but mostly because I was scared to death. That could have been a moose or whatever. There's a lot of moose in this woods. This is a quite rocky part, but you can't really see it on camera. You see all these wet areas here. It could be really deep, muddy holes. I'm trying to stay on the side where maybe or not that deep. Well, that's pretty much it for today, and I promise a new video coming shortly with a review of the Endurotech Dual 10. Thanks for watching.